Yes, sir.
Hello, Arohi. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So today we will be starting with a new topic, right? Quadratic equation, no, I told, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So do you want to ask some doubts? You can ask, please.
Yes,
I
sir.
think one or two questions we can take.
I have a doubt in the yesterday's worksheet which you gave.
Yesterday's 10 questions which I have given.
No, day for yesterday's 10 questions that you sent back for correction.
Okay, okay.
In that first, second, and 10th question, I have doubts.
Okay, first question, that arithmetic mean, that one you are telling.
Yes, sir. And that's the second bit.
Okay, question number, both I will explain, don't worry, okay? So, okay, let me upload the questions. So arithmetic mean, you concept, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by arithmetic mean?
I have to find the average of the term.
Yes, that's it. Suppose there are two numbers. So those two numbers you have to add and then divide by 2, right? Suppose there are three numbers, you have to add those three numbers and divide by 3 like that. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting it? So that's it. It is simple, right? In this question also, they are asking you to find the mean of that. Okay. So we will find it quickly. Let me upload the questions. Yes.
The first question was easy. The second question and the
First question is easy. Second question is also easy. It is just about the additions, nothing else, right, Arohi? Anyway, I'll explain it, and still, if you get doubt, you can ask. Okay. So first of all, you tell me they are asking to find the arithmetic mean between how many numbers are given to you, Arohi?
two numbers are given.
Yes. So if I have to find the arithmetic mean, right? So what we have to do, we have to add both the numbers. That is 13 plus 19 divided by 2, right, Arohi?
Yes,
So
sir.
9 plus 3 is 12, remaining is 1. So 1 plus this is 32 divided by 2, and that is nothing but 16. Yes or no? So arithmetic mean of 13 and 19 is 16. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Same way, the second question is also very simple here. Here also there are two terms given to you. One of the term is a minus b and another term is a plus b, right, Arohi? So if you have to find the arithmetic mean of these two numbers, what you have to do? You have to take the first number, that is a minus b, plus second number, that is a plus b, and the whole thing you have to divide it by 2, right? Because there are only two numbers, right, Arohi? One of them is a minus b plus of a plus b, right? So it is nothing but we are just taking the average of these two numbers. Now if you open the bracket, you will get a minus b plus a plus b, whole thing divided by 2, right, Arohi?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if you observe carefully, minus b and plus b will get cancelled it out. You will get here 2a upon 2, and which when you simplify it, you will get a. It means that the arithmetic mean of a minus b and a plus b is just a. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain one more time, Arohi?
No, sir. I got it, sir.
This was the question number 1. You had a doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2 also you have a doubt, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll explain question number 2 as well. That is also a very simple questions. So let's take it. This question, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
All right. See, there are various ways to do this question. One of the ways like this. What it says, this suppose this is the first number, that is 2n minus 1. Second number is 3n plus 2. And the third number is 6n minus 1. And they are telling it is in AP, right? The question says that these three numbers are in AP, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So if we know that if three terms are given to us in AP, the common difference will remain the same. So common difference, how do we do it? Second term minus first term, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
But I can write the same thing with the third term minus second term. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
See, when it is given to you, these three terms are in AP. What does it mean? It means that the common difference will be same. So how do you find the common difference? Second term minus first term, or you can do third term minus second term, right, Arohi? So
Yes.
second term minus first term will be same as third term minus second term. Why? Because in the question itself, it is given, it is nothing but arithmetic progression, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now you can just substitute the value properly, taking care of the signs. So second term is how much here? 3n plus 2. So I can write here as 3n plus 2 minus. First term is how much, Arohi? That is 2n minus 1. And that is equals to, what is the value of third term, Arohi? That
Minus.
is 6n minus 1, right? Third term value is 6n minus 1. Looks like you are still confused a little bit, right, Arohi?
No, sir. I actually am getting it, sir.
All right, good. Minus second term. So second term value is how much? That is 3n plus 2, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now it is very simple. First thing, you have to open the bracket, and while opening the bracket, you have to take care of the positive negative sign. So minus 2n it will become, right, and minus will become plus 1, and right hand side this is 6n minus 1 is as it is. This is minus 3n, and this is minus 2, right, Arohi?
Yes.
Now if you simplify left hand side, so this is 3n minus 2n is just n, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and that is equals to, right hand side if you simplify, this is 6n minus 3n is your 3n, and this is minus 3. Yes or no, Arohi?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
So can't we just cut plus 2 and plus 1 and minus 1 and minus 2?
No, 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 no. See, if both are on the same side, then you can cut it, right? If it is minus on the same side, no, if you bring on the same side, what happens? Minus will become plus, right?
Yes.
Minus 2, if it comes on the left hand side, do you understand what you are telling, Arohi? See, again, I'll explain it. See here, this plus 2 is there, and this is minus 2, but it is not on the same side, right? So if it goes on the same side, minus becomes plus. You are aware about that, or you are confused still?
Right, sir.
Still confused little bit?
No, I got it, sir.
See, if this minus 1 and this minus 2 was on the left side, then we could have cancelled plus 2 and minus 2. But plus 2 is on the left hand side, and right side is minus 2, right? So you
Yes.
cannot cut it, because this minus 2, if it comes on the left hand side, it will become plus 2, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Little bit confused?
I got it, sir. Now I understand.
All right. Now this minus 3, if I bring on the left hand side, so this is n plus 3, and this minus 3 will also become plus 3, right, Arohi? That is nothing but 3n. So this is n plus 6 is equals to 3n, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now this n, if I take to the other side, that will become minus n, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So it means that I can say that 6 is equals to 2n. Yes or no, Arohi? So
Yes, sir.
n is equals to 6 upon 2. That is 3. Any confusion till here, Arohi?
No, sir.
100% is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now what they have told you, find the value of n. So we have got the value of n, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now, once we get the value of n, and hence find these term, and hence find these term means, first we have to find the value of 2n minus 1, that is nothing but 2 times 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 6 minus 1, that is 5, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Same way, we have to find the value of 3n plus 2. That is nothing but 3 times n is nothing but 3 plus 2. Right, Arohi?
Yes,
That
sir.
is nothing but 9 plus 2. That is 11. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
And same way, the third term, you can find it out very easily. That is nothing but 6n minus 1. That is nothing but 6 times 3 minus 1. That is 18 minus 1. That is 17. Right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So the first part of the question, find the value of n. So n value is 3, and then they're asking find these terms and hence. Do you understand the meaning of hence, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by hence? Tell me.
Hence is like they're concluding that we should find these terms.
Hence means using the value what you have found. Okay. Always remember, hence means just preceding to that, whatever the result you have got, you have to use that and get the remaining things after that. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the reason they're asking find n, and hence means using the value of this n, you have to find these terms. So these terms are nothing but 2n minus 1, 3n plus 2, 6n minus 1. Everywhere you substitute the value of n as 3, you will get the required answer. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this question number 1, 2, 3 you have done.
3 I did, sir. 10 I have doubt in.
So question number 3, shall I explain one more time? Because the sum of 3 terms. Okay, first of all, have you understood that, Arohi, why we take the 3 terms as a minus d, then a, and then a plus d, or you have not understood properly?
Sir. Because of symmetry.
Yes, because of symmetry, solutions become very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain one more time?
Sure, sir. I got it, sir. I have a doubt in the 10th question.
Okay, so in that scenario, when I take a minus d, comma a plus d, their first term is not a minus d is your first term, right, Arohi?
Yes,
And
sir.
a is your second term, and a plus d is your third term, right? Similarly, suppose if we have 5 terms, we take the terms as a minus 2d, a minus d, then a plus d, then a plus 2d, right, Arohi? Are you getting it? There also a is not your first term. A minus 2d is your first term, and the common difference is d. That is okay, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? And if there are 4 terms or 6 terms, so like that, how do we take? If there are 4 terms, we take a minus 3d, a minus d, then a plus d, then a plus 3d, right, Arohi? Here also your first term is not a minus 3d is your first term, right, Arohi? And d is not your common difference. 2d is the common difference. Do you understand the logic? Why is it so?
Yes, sir.
Little bit confused or fully confused?
No, sir. Because of symmetry only, it makes our calculations easier.
So do you understand that concept? So whenever the sum of 3 terms are there, or like the sum of any 4 terms, sum of 5 terms, so use that concept and work it out the calculations wise. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain one more time?
No, sir. I have a doubt in the 10th question.
So question number 3 is done, right?
Yes, sir.
4th, I don't think so you have done. Find 4 numbers in AP, that question.
I did, sir. Check once.
Really, you have understood?
Yeah, sir. It's just like the third question.
All right. So 4 you have done. Then question number, let me see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th question, you are telling how many terms of the AP 3, 5, 7 must be added to get 120?
Yes, sir. So in
Hey,
the
come
last,
on.
yes, sir.
That is easy question, very easy question, right?
Yes, sir. But I made a mistake in there. I don't know where I made a mistake. You said you like.
So you should do it again. Simple question these are. This is very simple question actually. Really speaking, this you should not have asked, but anyway, I'll explain you. Just observe carefully. See, first of all, the question says that how many terms of the AP must be added to get sum is equals to 120, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So what I have told you, whenever we have any arithmetic related questions, we should always focus on finding the first term and the common difference, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So in this question, if you look at the first term, what is the value of first term, Arohi?
3.
3. Very good. What is the common difference, Arohi?
5. 2 minus.
How much?
Plus 2. Plus 2.
2 is the common difference, right, Arohi? Now, what they are asking you to find the value of how many terms? Means they are asking the value of n, right, Arohi?
Yes.
They are asking the value of n, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what they have given, sum of n terms is given to you as 120, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Very basic question, Arohi. Sum of n terms is given to you as 120. You know the value of first term. You know the value of common difference. You just need to find the value of n, right? So that's very simple. Sum of n terms, what is the formula? N upon 2 into
2
2a
plus
plus n
n
minus 1 into d, right, Arohi?
minus.
And that is given to you as 120. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now we will substitute all the value. N value remains as it is, and upon 2 remains as it is. 2 times a, that is 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 times d. What is the value of d? That is 2. Bracket close is equals to 120. Any confusion, Arohi?
No, sir.
Now this can be written as n upon 2 into 6 plus this is 2n minus 2, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
And that is equals to 120. Now this n upon 2 remains as it is. Inside the bracket 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 plus 2n, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
And that is equals to 120. Yes or no, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you look at the inside the bracket, it is 4 plus 2n. So 2 you can take outside common. So you will get 2n upon 2. Inside the bracket from 4 you have taken 2 outside. So only 2 will remain. From 2n you have taken out 2. So only n will remain. And that is equals to 120. Right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now this 2 from the numerator and this 2 from the denominator can be cancelled it out. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So you will remain on the left hand side only n times 2 plus n is equals to 120, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Now if you open the bracket, what will you get? N multiplied by 2 is your 2n plus n multiplied by n is your n square is equals to 120, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Or you can write this in the standard form. You must have studied in class 9 polynomial topic. This n square, it is a quadratic polynomial. So n is square and this is your plus 2n. And from the right hand side, if you bring this 120 on the left hand side, that will be minus 120 and equals to sign remains as it is. And on the right hand side, nothing remains. It means it will be 0, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know how to solve this quadratic equation, Arohi? Any idea?
Sir, you have to take n to that side. N square.
No, 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 no. Okay, this is a, first of all a quadratic equation. I think you have not studied polynomial properly in grade 9, but not a problem. Like there was a question like find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial or something. You don't remember?
Oh, we have to find the factor p of x, p of n in this.
You have to solve this quadratic equations. Anyway, nothing to worry at all. Till here you understand, right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
So today chapter we are going to learn specifically like how to solve any quadratic equation. So it will be more helpful. Is that all right, Arohi?
Okay, sir.
All right then. So because entire for the next 3-4 days we are going to do only quadratic means like highest power on the variable. Here n is the variable, right, Arohi?
Yes,
And
sir.
power is 2 and that is the reason it is a quadratic equation. Anyway, we will discuss more in detail. Okay, let everyone joins, no, because that is the topic today we are going to start, quadratic equation. Okay, Arohi?
Okay, sir.
Till here it is clear.
Yes,
How
sir.
to solve from here, that we are going to learn today, and tomorrow we will learn. Is that all right, Arohi?
Yes, sir.
All right then. So let's take, you can take a break for 5 minutes something and you can join again at 2:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Bye, Arohi. I'll also take break for 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.